In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Notion page public. Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this session, we'll walk through the simple steps to transform your private Notion page into a publicly accessible one, perfect for sharing with colleagues, friends, or anyone who might benefit from viewing your work. Let's dive right in. To get started, open the Notion page that you've decided to share with the world. Once you have your page ready and open on your screen, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner. You should see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking Share, you'll notice a few options appear. Look for the toggle switch next to the option Publish or Publish to Web. It might require a simple click or drag, but what you're aiming for is to activate that option. As soon as you do this, your page will transition from a private document to a publicly viewable web page available online. This transition is pivotal, as it allows your content to be accessible to anyone with an internet connection and the link. Speaking of the link, as soon as you make your page public, a new web link will appear. You'll want to copy this link. It's essentially the key to sharing your page with others. You can distribute this URL to anyone you wish to see your page, whether it's a friend, a colleague, or shared more broadly as part of an online portfolio or resource. But before you rush off to send that link, take a moment to explore the permission settings. Notion offers you the flexibility to tailor the accessibility features of your page further. Do you want others merely to view your page, or would you like them to duplicate it for their own use? Do you want to allow comments by others directly on the page? These are all options you can set by adjusting the permissions. Think about how you want your audience to interact with your content and select the settings that best match your intentions. Once you've sorted through and chosen your desired settings, you're all set to start sharing. Whether you're sharing with a specific teammate or posting it broadly for public consumption, simply distribute the copied link as you see fit. And just like that, your Notion page has joined the wider web for all to see and benefit from. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to take advantage of sharing your creative and professional works with others using Notion. As always, happy Notioning!